10 lines on book fair. Book fair is an event where different books are available for people to purchase. This event provides a golden opportunity to the people to buy books. It is an event for book lovers. People can buy books at low cost. Book fair is held on different days in different cities. Book fair promotes and encourages the readers. This event is very important for students. This event is organized by different organizations. Book fair is also held in libraries. We should promote book fair events in our society.